You have been going around this for months. Stay in the job or work for yourself. And the reason you cannot settle it is not that you lack willpower. It is that the two sides are not measured in the same unit. A salary has already had payroll tax taken out of it, and it quietly includes a health premium and a retirement contribution somebody else pays. A freelance rate includes none of that. So this workbook converts the money first and only then asks you what else matters. You score up to 6 paths side by side: staying put, a different job, freelancing, a full business, a hybrid that keeps the paycheck. 13 criteria weighted by how much each one matters to you. 10 of them are judgments only you can make. 3 of them are arithmetic, and the file refuses to let you guess. This is the Income and Hours tab, and it is where the argument gets settled. An employee pays 7.65% in payroll tax. Work for yourself, and you pay 15.3 on 92.35% of your net profit. The workbook computes both, sharing one Social Security wage base, so a hybrid path is never simply the sum of its parts. Then it counts every unpaid hour of selling, admin, and commuting. Add what an employer pays on your behalf, subtract the cover you would buy yourself, and 2 numbers come out: total effective compensation and effective hourly rate. In the example that ships in the file, freelancing bills $138,000 and lands below the current job once everything is counted. And yet, per hour of actual life, it wins. Both facts are true at once, and most people only ever see one of them. Then the harder question: can you actually get there from here? Enter your savings, what the household really has to spend each month, and any other income. The workbook models the first year going 40% worse than you planned and tells you how many months of runway that leaves against how long this kind of path usually takes to work. That gap is the cushion, and a negative one is a timing problem, not a verdict. Every path comes out ranked, with its compensation, its hourly rate, and its worst-case runway beside it. And the workbook names the price of fit. What choosing your best-fitting path over your best-paying one costs per year and across your whole horizon. That is not an argument against it. It is a price made visible, so you can decide on purpose whether it is worth paying. 12 kinds of working arrangement are built in, with who withholds your payroll tax, who funds your benefits, who absorbs a bad quarter, and how hard each one is to undo. Alongside them sit the 2026 tax figures the engine actually computes with, everyone named, dated, and sourced. 4 guides teach the method, including the tests worth running before you leave anything. 10 connected tabs, 4 guides, a worked example already filled in, and a one-click Google Sheets copy. It works in Excel, Sheets, and LibreOffice. You own the file outright. No login, no subscription, no coach on a retainer. Rerun it in 18 months when the numbers have changed, or the day an offer arrives. Stop circling the decision, score it.